Hey, seventh graders, it's Mr. Allard again, live from my kitchen. If you haven't heard, there is a water main break at the school. So we're operating under a 2 hour delay, which means we're going to have a bit of shorter classes today, and we are going remote. So I am going to be from my home. Hopefully, you've got from your home, but we're going to make the most of it, make the best of it. I know not everybody brought their iPads home with them, so again, you'll have a chance to catch up any of this work, and basically that's what we're going to use today to do. Is we're going to use today to see if we can catch up on any assignments. Anybody who has not caught up fully will have time in class. Hopefully, if we're back on Thursday to work on that, anybody who does get their work caught up, we will have some things for you to do to get ready for the quiz. Because if we do get back in class on Thursday, we will have our quiz on Friday. All right. I'm also here with my partner in crime, Robbie. You say hi. Can you say hi? Oh, you see yourself and you don't like it? Can you give a smile? No, you don't want to be on the video? Okay. Maybe he'll warm up later and want to be on the video. But right now, oh, look, now he wants to be on there. Say hi. No, no talking. What are you playing with?
Hi.
Can you show your dinosaurs? What kind of dinosaur is that?
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Good job. Oh, you got two? Show them. Oh, they stomp. Those are good, some good Stegosauruses. All right. Without further ado.
Boink. Boink.
All right. So here we are on Schoology. You're gonna go to your course page. I'm gonna jump into periods 2, 4, and 8, but it's going to be the same for periods 6 and 7. Ooh, I got to change. Let me change this real quick. So first thing is we got a real quick OTA. It's going to be OTA 59, I think. 58. We'll call it 58 for now. If I have to change it, I'll change it again. But you can find that in your on your calendar side, or again, it's in the chapter 9 vocab. Real quick, yes or no sentences. Okay, so you read the sentence, tell me whether or not it is a complete sentence or it is a 7-up sentence or not, real quick. Then a couple things you can do in your chapter 9 folder, Causes of the Revolution. Now I'm assuming most of us probably do not have our Causes of the Revolution graphic organizer, but it's right here, so you can use that. You also have, let me see if I can put it on here finally. Okay, so for some reason Schoology is still not letting me attach any files, but I will try to attach the PowerPoint on there later. You can work on any of these two assignments, hopefully getting both of them done. Your Causes of the American Revolution checkout. Remember, you're matching the cause of the American Revolution to its description. You can use that, your notes if you have them. If not, the notes, again, are on Schoology right above your assignments. So your notes are right there. You also have your causes of the Civil War, causes of the American Revolution scenarios. It wasn't letting me put the PowerPoint on, but if you would like to look at the PowerPoint, it's right here. It should pop up into a SharePoint link for you. Again, the numbers we talked about that were wrong in the last one are right now, so you can use that to answer all the questions. If you have any questions today, I'm most likely not going to have a class Zoom that you're supposed to come into because it's going to be hectic with the shortened time periods and creating all of those different Zooms. So this will be a little bit more asynchronous work, but I will be at my computer as best I can be today while watching my son. And I will answer any questions that you guys post on Schoology or anything like that. All right. So if you have any questions, post on Schoology. I will take attendance by the OTA. So if you do the OTA, we will count today because if it was a shortened class period, that's what we would be getting into anyways. All right. Again, any questions, hit me up on Schoology. As always, stay awesome. Go Bills. You want to try to say it with me? Can you say Allard out? Can you say Allard out? No, you don't want to say it. Can you say bye-bye?
No.
Can you wave?
No.
No? Okay. Somebody wants to be a grumpy Gus. All right. But till next time, 7th graders, Allard out.